eni mafuri watika nero lok matika trending President Yoweri Museveni kaguta ochoa Waraga ki President mi US mono lok ma ki loko kum lok pa Agoa ma ki wajo ni lobo machalo Central African Republic. Uganda is one of them affected. Ma jo me US ki wajo ni lok pa human rights violations dingere tuwera padano wero lobo machalo Uganda is being questionable. Ipoyo chik ma ki binu ki karkere parliament. Those are some of the laws ma jo me US tutware Agoa community anyway ni Uganda and the other African countries shouldn't be part of it. And President Museveni ochoa Waraga bodgi part eni dong anywana dong duong tutwalba tichalo watika miel ikakondo mano watika doctoring ewa. Have you ever done some high heel shoes backwards?
Yeah, never get a cadam. You literally carry me wedding.
And you cannot
down your porro.
Aha, you cannot dance on high heel shoes backward. Definitely be porroping.
Lokagoa o karo ko mo eni ikero do mabongwan gini.
Yeah.
Chi o kamo lingo. Ento bino chalo ani PM Agoa tie community makelo lobo mi Africa magiti umbrella chel. Nongo yo mi chero ka chato jimi mamege e lobo America.
Yeah.
Maki mini giro cha ani wono kel jimi wu chalo lobo del chol o chare lobo mamegwa kan. No kinero ne wo yabo yo mitimo biashara kidong neno kit ma kikelo kwere chienne ma ke kwanye kikono bano dokwe o dok chien kan kiri kano bere mo chorro ki onye mere mo kom jima kitero ilo kono ne no piki onye totwal piem ke wini eni timi konyo lobo wek bene gen kutimo gen go down chi wakati ki wajene ni wan wa mero lor project mi Agoa nyurni jimo tika yoponani Mano tika tam miro chere international market chuk go berupe kadong chuk go berupe waram beri watiki chuk ma megwa Uganda kan era chuk ma megwa kan ni bene is not sustainable in era wa tiki chak era chak ma wano mar dana di ma maro chak chingjui chak tie era gena the consumption is very low manyuti the domestic supply pira marwate o wego kene en kwani ke yubu jim mogo make chwale lobo ma wago ni foreign market watika ne ni foreign aid donyo kini wono biya char madir kini how do we also capitalize on the little money more to kele investment ki don lobo manyuti ka Biden tindo cho watini Agoa tongpe dana matika tero jimi lobo ma wago ko ya muchoro
let's be honest ka kan en pingo Biden tika keto ker madit twali kom Lobo mati independent. Magin bere giti democratically independent. Mani gen giti kitwero mi yer ngoma gimir ngoma megi giti kitwero mi yer check ngoma mir governing gen. Why should they force us? Pingoni one ka po cher US wine okay fine. One bere charo kumano eni wati mir wine check machalo polygamy ngongo gen mir ben mabe. Why?
America no munye ke moya ken me wajera pe wachini you're going to be polygamous over da ki market kikere bene bachot. I have seen so many cho maduong mago chero wa
yes
inone o ake Uganda bene take dago o America o nyomo bene dago ero dago mo nyomo chane o nyomo were non citizenship amero wachini take dago eno dago yeni tap mo chero wajo report kama tieni la cho en ke be cover short and amero wachini kelite cho mabedo ki cho adi i America Peti ngaro mo bloga ye
because more
again it is a normal thing ginen chalo twer mo por ento it kiti penyo ko ni pingo twer ma gen kita matio lung tugani genda gemero promoting to twa lo twer mano miro betie piem an katike monario pega ngo matim
exactly
so you know again pegen yang eroni gen kita ni gitika gwa
ma
megi ni gitika gwa ko lo megigi so it is too candid ni they should really protect the women at the end of the day it is not bad ento interest magen gimero promoting ene marache ki geni wanyini ilokeno wer munyi ki karka Uganda ni wono peka war to era padano dano matika wachini ana la cho mira bet kila cho la wora and the Bible ginani pe Bible wanyini la cho bi a gangi chero chako gange dago bi wero gangi chero no la cho gi chako gangi an pa munyi la cho bi a chero no la cho la wore donc loka cho ki cho no a ki kwe loka mon beru ki moni o a ki kwe ka bene pe Bible pe te ka kwar ma megwa in Uganda people are supporting pingo ketika roine dogwa that is why they're going wrong.
I think anatamani the western world gindo ketika keto pressure ma tek twali kom Africa by the ko logo kom Agoa means African Growth and Opportunity Act. African Growth and Opportunity Act. So basically Emma, I mean sorry I think I'm missing Emma but no watika tuwe yoki conversation kakany eneni la fuenyo ngo first of all mo fuenyo kong ma chel kong because ne la dit president Museveni cho Waraga ki Joe Biden ma Biden beno joro ka kan ene kay ne ma tek why his excellency president Biden wrote to me about Agoa mono ma Biden cho ki Museveni chi Museveni bene waje en bene cho bene Waraga bore kunu ka kanyo enoni of course kirma Biden announcing program plan made scrapping Uganda off Agoa from the US market which was constructed by the Congress in 2000, early 2000, you know. So, ngoma, where does this leave Uganda? Man, where Uganda kwene and what we're dealing kene
Ikaramo karangechi wawachi Uganda has been depending on so many issues of foreign aid.
Yeah.
May noni no kitamnika world bound ao Uganda no povo ramo metanyim. Eto ana wachi la Sara. Awachi Uganda tiki chiane mo ken maromo sustaining it most of its economic activities. Gen maraja yeni chiane maki kwalo corruption is enough to fit a budget per World Bank mongoloni. So mi achel lesson mo miro kwa ni kuo ka president ka lwanyi kumkuo o lwanyi kumkuo so that we retain the monies mo madongi mi konyo running the state in its operational capacity. Mi ario dependence, you cannot depend as a country for 38 years e komungare money. Kiriwa in latin gangu pe beru madeng toke chiarong lota ngam we will ni mi chak gangi. Uganda tila ten matiri madong odaro chak pe mwa pier de ku ya bor. 38 years of independence. Peye kope mi chiarone wanu mati kenwa mirwa chak wot wa chak timo jim mego maramo kelo don lobo. O wegneno kirika kitika kelo ko bedi World Bank popo minu chiane miro tim gen mo amero miro go dancing to the tune ene do inoni miel magete miele ge wot ma miro go chiara nyim gitika miel gi dok angej pingo pien giramo holding the chekwa wan loka homosexuality po wa jolo ene ka pe ki chiane ben mi running your own economy ngomo botimo manyiri miro dok angej ka reverting your debate may non la chen ki chako neno loops why government ni garo government petwer gero so there are a lot of things